Okay, I don't know what's up with my camera or my desktop audio, but there is no camera and there is no music this stream, and that's just how it's going to be because I'm already a minute late. Oh, and I didn't even update my stuff for today. I'm doing so great today. We need an input.txt, and we need a part1.txt. We need that input, and I want my snippet so I don't have to type this all out myself. Oh, for the love of... Oh, we're off to a glorious start. Okay, let's actually get into the problem now. Yeah, my camera has decided to just not today, along with the music. I don't know. And I don't feel like fixing it. I'm sure it'll just work if I turn my computer off and on again, but that'll happen tomorrow. Supply stacks. The expedition can depart as soon as the final supplies have been unloaded from the ship. Supplies are stored in stacks of marked crates, but because the needed supplies are buried under many other crates, the crates need to be rearranged. Oh, no worries if you missed the podcast. I mean, the VOD should be up. YouTube also hated me today, so if the VOD is not up for some reason, do let me know. I don't know. The ship has a giant cargo crane capable of moving crates between stacks. To ensure none of the crates get crushed or fall over, the crane operator will arrange them in a series of carefully planned steps. After all the crates are arranged, the desired crates will be at the top of each stack. The elves don't want to interrupt the crane operator during the delicate procedure, but they forgot to ask her which crate will end up where, and they want to be ready to unload them as soon as possible so they can embark. They do, however, have a drawing of the starting stacks of crates and the rearrangement procedure. Okay. For example, there are 3 stacks of crates. Stack 1 contains 2 crates, and Z's on the bottom. Okay. So there's numbered stacks with crates. In each step of the procedure, a quantity of crates is moved from one stack to a different stack. In the first step, one crate is moved from stack... Oh, so we move D over here. Okay. In the second step, 3 crates are moved from stack 1 to stack 3. Crates are moved one at a time, so the first crate to be moved ends up... Okay, so we're pushing and popping on stacks. Okay. The elves just need to know which crate will end up on top of each stack. In this example, the top crates are C, M, and Z. So you should be able to combine. So you should combine these together and give the elves the message CMZ. After the rearrangement procedure completes, what crate ends up on top of each stack? Oh dear. Cool. Okay. This is going to be some fun file parsing. Let's start with the small one. Okay. So I think ultimately what I want are data structures of stacks. So this will be 1 data structure, 2 data structure, 3 data structure, and I guess I'll have a list of stacks. So that's fine. But how do I read this in? How do I read this in? So we go line by line. Reading the instructions is easy. When we hit new line, we just flip to reading instructions. But how do I read this in? Horizontally. Okay, so we have line. And we want to split line 3, 4. Oh, goodness. This is not an appropriate problem for my Sunday night squishy brain. It's wonderful that I don't have music either, because wow, now my music just doesn't even want to play. At all, whatsoever. Hang on, I'm messing with stream stuff, because this is going to be real boring for everybody. If there's no music. Music. I saved this somewhere so that it would be easy to find again. Okay. There's music playing. Oh, and there it is on stream. Okay. Wonderful. I guess we need to split these, but what do we split on? What do we split on? Oh, I don't think we want to strip white space in this one because that's going to be really important. White space is extremely important, so I don't think we want to do that either. Okay. We're doing great. Let's split on space open square brace. No, not space. How about just open square brace? Will that work? That'll only give me 2 characters. That'll give me 2. Oof, okay, well, let's see if this does what I think it does. Print tokens. Interesting, okay. That... That's not it at all. That is not remotely what I want to split on. And the stack part of this is going to be so easy. Parsing the file is the hard part of this. Is there a way to get Python to read in columns? File in columns. Oh! How do we do this? Oh man, list comprehensions. Okay. So if you read all the lines, okay, whatever. For result. Split on space. Okay. But we can't just split on space. Can we split on that? Okay, I need more docs on Python split. I think I'm about to learn something. many splits to do? Okay. That's fine. That's not helpful. But I want the advanced use. I want the advanced use. Based on first occurrence of character, nope. Compile into a list. Wait, split lines display contents of a file as a list. This website is not nice. Consider using the regular expression module. Okay. Do you want to tell me what the regular expression module is? On that. Am I just like making it too complicated? I think maybe I am. I definitely can't just split it like that. Because that kills all of my position information. What if I don't strip? This will still muck up my... Oh. Neat. There's an implicit strip there. Okay. Cool. Okay, what's Python split lines? It's not what I want. Returns a list of lines and string, breaking out line boundaries, line breaks, including the resulting lines. Okay. this is still not what I want. Maybe we were onto something with the list comprehension before. Read file and columns. I don't, it's not a CSV file though. 'Cause that would be easy. Oh, that's supposed to minus CSV. Fine, back to this one. With a list comprehension. Python zip. What does that do? Okay. It's an iterator. Okay. What does zip do? Gosh, I could use a hint. Never even mind that. It's the length of the line each time is the same each time. Let's start there. Okay. Okay, so can we just put it in chunks of 3? In chunks of 3. Okay. I 0 while I is less than think we're equal to the length of line. Then I to I plus 3. 3? 4. I think 4. Take them in chunks of 4. Because that's open brace, letter, close brace, and space. Or new line at the end of the line. And we need to increase I by 4 each time. So let's try that. What? Oh, psh. I don't like the line. Almost. That almost does what I want. That's really, really close to doing what I want. Maybe we don't need that equal. Okay. This is progress. And if not line starts with move, then we do all of this. Else follow move instructions. In stack data. Okay. Whatever, just put a print there so there's no error. Okay. This is progress. This is progress. Okay, so at this point we have tokens. And then I think I think we just want to push each thing onto its respective stack. And then we'll just have upside down stacks at the end that we can reverse. Or we just work with upside down stacks. So let's start with stacks as an empty list. Item in tokens. Can we do it like that? Because I want the position. Or how best to do this? 'Cause I need position information for X. What's the syntax for this? X equals 0, X range. I don't remember what the syntax for this is. Yes, but I want range length of tokens. I think that's what I want. Maybe this actually wants to be like a dictionary. Stacks X. Strip, I guess. Oh, I feel like this isn't gonna work either. No, definitely not. Oh, that's because that's not where we want the dot strip. We want the dot strip out there. Okay, you know what? Never mind with your dot strip. Just never mind that. What if I inform you that you contain lists? What if I just like preload you? I should only really need one, right? Does Python have a data structure for this? Let's use a stack. Append. Okay. What is X here that it's very unhappy about? Oh. What if we just... Because this ultimately has to be one indexed for the instructions, what if we just do that? You know what? I'm sort of tempted to just manually put in the data. To hell with reading it in, because this is doable manually. This obviously is not, but this is. I think I might do that. Okay. Z N. Just because I'm frustrated. M C D. What am I doing? Range just contains P. And then if line starts with move, then we process the instructions. And then we need to split on white space. For item in tokens, if item dot is num is numeric. Numeric, there we go. If item is numeric, then numbers append item. as an int. Okay. So at this point, numbers should contain 3 things. Okay, good. One thing from 2 to 1. Move. 1 to 3, 2 to 1. 1 2. Okay. Number 0 from is numbers 1. Oh, I can't do. From is a keyword. Ugh. Okay, well, we can have from stack to stack. How about that? Well, num to move greater than 0. Stacks from stack dot pop stacks to stack dot append. Great. And then, oops, num to move minus minus. Oh, can I not do that? Fine, we'll do that. I only want to see the stacks at the end, because at the end, what we want is the last item in each stack. For stack in stacks. Wait, this is where we want top of stacks is gonna be a string. For each of the stacks, we're going to append to top of stacks. Concatenate, append. Strings are lists, right? We're appending the last item. Python last item in list. Oh wait, no, it's stack -1, I think. There we go. So take the last item in the stack and append it to our top of stacks string. And then our ultimate answer is that string. PDNZ. Oh, that's it. Our stacks are actually right. Okay. Okay, it's not append. Python into string. Oh, is it? It's right, you can do that crap in Python. ToString? No. This is a number. For the love of... int to string. Oh, I hate... Oh, this is laid out. Stack Overflow saved me. That... Should that not? Should that not work? The hell is stack -1 then? Stack sub. I'm forgetting a colon, aren't I? Is it like that? Was it like that? Oh, for the love of... Last item in list. No, can I please just... It is just -1. Okay, what is stack then? Go away. Stop causing me problems. Because stacks is a dictionary. I'm getting the key, not the value. The values in dictionary. No, why am I even using a dictionary? Why am I even using a dictionary? This can just be a list of lists. Right? Except that it'll be 0 indexed. It's working and I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to iterate through the keys. I want to iterate through the values. Oh, dot items. Okay. No, it's not quite what I want. Does it have, it's dot values. Dot values. And I don't need to string that. That's a... They're not numbers, they're letters. Hey! Okay. 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 So this works with the example input. So this is going to be old stacks. This is new stacks. And now I'm going to input this manually because I can't be bothered to figure out how to read that in. Please stand by. G M Z N H G M Z N T taking bets now as to how many errors are going to be in this, and that's why it doesn't get the right answer. J. Three. G, you know what? G, V, L, J, B, T, H. I'll fix the formatting on that after. B, P, J, N, C, D, V, L. F, W, S, M, P, R, G. G, H, C, F, B, N, V, M. T, H, G, M, R. H, N, M, V, Z, D. Last column, G, N, F, H. Okay. Copy that. This is possibly the worst thing I have ever done. Copy that input, paste that input. All right, let's run it and see what we get. Sure, that could be it. Please be it. Oh my god, that was it! I got it right! I actually typed that all out properly. Oh my god. Okay. As you watch the crane operator expertly rearrange the crates, you notice the process isn't following your prediction. Some mud was covering the writing on the side of the crane, and you quickly wipe it away. The crane isn't a Crate Mover 9000, it's a Crate Mover 9001. The Crate Mover 9001 is notable for many new and exciting features: air conditioning, leather seats, an extra cup holder, and the ability to pick up and move multiple crates at once. Again, considering the example above, the crates begin in the same configuration. Moving a single crate is the same, but we can now move groups of crates. And they stay in the same order. Oh, so do it again, but better. Okay. We're going back to the example data. Oops. Okay. So, copy, paste, rename. Okay. back to the example input. So it's only this bit that has to change, which isn't so bad. What if we pop them off into their own temporary stack and then append them back onto the new stack? So this will mostly still work, except that isn't how. We're gonna add a temp stack, and it's going to be temp stack.append crate. And then we basically do this again. While the length of temp stack is greater than 0. Crate equals temp stack dot pop. And then yeah, I think we just do that. So we pop it all into a temporary stack. And then pop it off the temporary stack and append it. I think that should work. Run part 2 if you don't mind. Oh no! Line 33. Create equals what? But I didn't touch this line. Oh! Because I forgot to put that input back. That gets MCD. Okay. Promising, promising. So let's put all of that back. Make that our current stacks, and this our old stacks. Okay. Could be. Pretty please. Ha 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 ha! Yay! Share it. How are we doing today? Over 10,000 in both. Not great. Not amazing. But we're still in top 20 on the work leaderboard, so you know that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Alright, and then assuming the Try Hack Me event is up. Let's do our intro to cybersecurity advent calendar. Hopefully this should be quick. During the investigation of the downloaded GitHub repo, Elfrecon McRed identified a URL that is probably used by all the elves with admin privileges to add or delete gifts on the Santa website. The website has been pulled down for maintenance, and now Recon McRed is scanning the server to see how it's compromised. Can you help McRed scan the network and find the reason for the website compromise? Okay, I'm going to skip reading all that and come back to it later. Even though I've never actually used any of these scanning tools, so I'm actually going to learn something today. What are we trying to find out today? Was the HTTP server running on the remote host? Okay, I'm going to have to actually run stuff. Yes, I know it only works for an hour, that's fine. I know what ports are. I need to know about the tools. Okay, so literally just type nmap and see what comes up. That's cool. That should be nice and easy. And easy is what we want right now. How's chat doing? How is everyone this evening, night? It's definitely night, it's not evening. I am so excited to sleep after this. Except I've got this knitting project sitting here staring at me that's in the middle of the row, and I think it's demanding that I finish the row before I go to bed. So I might end up staying a little bit later than I should. Good grief, this takes a while. Gotta get better at noticing that there's a start machine button on the tasks so that I can start it while I'm still reading the questions. Connecting. Almost there. Come on. Oh, neat. That's a whole Linux box. I was expecting just a terminal. I mean, that's all I'm gonna open. Okay, so that's what that does. That's so much stuff. Okay. Buh. Okay. Don't hack things you're not trying to hack. Got it. Okay, you can get the list of live hosts and associated ports on the host. Okay. And then there's Nikto, there we go. It's open source software, scanning websites for vulnerabilities, subdomains, etc. Oh, yes, okay, so we can follow the instructions. The address bar. Oh. Oh, right, I have to type. I'm spoiled with fancy work tools and I forget that SSH is a thing. // 10.10.215.152. Okay, wonderful. From the previous task, S at NTA 2022. Connect. Cool. There's a flag. Oh, right, I can't copy paste. Thanks, I hate it. DHM Santa SMB server. Okay. That's that. What's in here? That's cool. Oh, sweet. Santa HR is not in caps lock. Santa 25. Great. What is the name of the HTTP server running on the remote host? What is that? Oh. Way to just give me the answer. I'll take it. Ah. I hate it. Nmap -v. What was the rest of it? Why? Oh, I want to type, please. And Nmap -s capital V, and then 10.10.215.152. Here we go. Port 22 is open. What's the name of the service? SSH. what is the name of the HTTP server running the remote host? Does it just want that? Is that what it's looking for? Oh, okay. I was making this way more complicated again. Cool. Well, I have now officially run Nmap for the first time in my life. So hey, I'm learning something from this very beginner's cybersecurity advent calendar. So that's great. How do I kill this machine? Oh, with the terminate button. That's how I terminate the machine. There is a clipboard! Oh! It's very important to know. Cool. Well, that's all the advent calendars for today. I'm gonna go wallow in some shame for how I went about solving the advent of code. And be very sad when I read somebody's extremely clever solution tomorrow. And go, oh my god, why didn't I think of that? Anyway. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow night.